Today we were at the Franklin Institute.
The museum was founded by Samuel Merrick and William H. Keating on February 5, 1824.
It is named after the American scientist and statesman Benjamin Franklin. The Franklin Institute is 198 years old,
making it one of the oldest centers of science education in the United States.
That's right, Maria. We better call the folks at home to tell them how we're doing. Now let's go see some trains. Are you able to go in? This is the train factory in the museum. This is a replica of Stephenson's rocket. It was designed in 1929, averaging 12 miles per hour and reaching top speeds of 30 miles per hour. All aboard the train!
Are you the engine driver? Oh gosh. There we go. Wow.
This is so cool.
So remember, for thousands of miles they'd be sitting here, and then you'd have somebody putting the coal and stuff in there to keep the steam up. Push the brake, push the brake. Stop the train. Stop the train, Izzy. Push the brake. Turn the wheel.
Let's go. Dad, can we look at the giant heart now?
Yeah.
No, we don't. We are doing the...
You do what you like. We're here for 3 months. So.
We're doing the first floor first. Can we go to the basement?
Huge engine here. It's incredible. I suppose it will have to be big in order and powerful enough to be able to pull carriages and goods across thousands of miles of America.
This is your conductor speaking. This is your stop. Hope you enjoy your stay here. See you next time.